Open any app on your phone and scan the QR code. Scan the QR code to download THR app application exe. Open ICSE and click on Sign Up. Fill in the registration information to complete registration. Enter your registered account and click Login. Turn on the power switch of the equipment. The die in the upper right corner is a secure device. There is a design to add the QR code on the scanning device. Successfully added to the device, set a login password. Fix the camera bracket on the wall first. After fixing the camera to the bracket, install the solar panel bracket. Install solar panels. Connect the solar panel to charge the equipment. Prevent rainwater damage. When someone enters the monitoring area at night, the mobile phone will receive a short message prompt tone. White light turns on automatically. The white light goes out automatically when people leave, switching bright mode.